Hello, welcome to my channel. Without wasting any time, I'll start with how to make a YouTube channel. The first and the basic step is to create a channel on YouTube. Click on sign in icon. I already have an Gmail account, so I'll sign in with this one. Your Gmail account should have two-way verification. The video for two-way verification is in the description. Now click on your logo. This will either have create your channel option or your channel option. This doesn't matter because sometimes YouTube itself forms your channel. Click here to upload your channel logo. Now click on upload and add any picture. After logo, we will fill the basic info. Write your channel name. Add a unique name, and by clicking on Publish, the name you choose will appear to everyone. Handle is your YouTube ID, you can change it anytime. In description, write about your channel and your videos. I'll skip this for now. This is your channel link, which you should avoid sharing. Email address can be added for advertisers to contact you. Click on YouTube Studio so that we can start doing the main setting which affect your channel and its growth. Click on Setting. Here General, you can keep currency in US dollars only. Then you have to come to Channel. On Channel, you have to select Country of Residence. Which country do you live in? From here, you have to select your country. For example, I select Pakistan. After that, you come to Advanced Setting. Before Advanced Setting, here, you have to put keywords. Keywords are very important. What do you put in keywords? Your first keyword should always be your channel name. For example, if my channel is related to funny videos, I will write funny, exciting, and you can search for appropriate keywords. Also write maximum amount of keywords. When you click on Advanced Setting, they ask you if you want to set your channel as made for kids. Always choose the second option, which is no, because YouTube pays less to channels made for kids. But if you have a channel made for kids or it is related to cartoons, then click on yes. Then automatic caption, click on don't show potentially inappropriate words. Here it used to have an option for subscribers count, but now YouTube has removed it. This option would hide your subscribers number. Then come advertisement setting, which is very important. Never disable this setting and allow all advertisers to pay you. This is a very important setting. 2023 version of Facebook has changed eligibility criteria. Now it requires you to fulfill their demands in order to get eligibility. Standard feature is already enabled by YouTube, but it has very less features. Enable intermediate features. You need to provide your phone number. You will get access to 15 minutes plus videos posting, custom thumbnail, and live streaming. You just have to provide your number and then verify through an SMS. Write your number and then click on Get Code. Write the code that YouTube has sent on your number. The next advanced gives you 3 options. To verify, first you will provide your Gmail, and then YouTube will send a link through which you will make video of yourself from front camera as the YouTube guides you. Secondly, valid ID, you will have to send picture of your passport or license. Thirdly, channel history, in 2 months if your channel grows according to the rules, then it will get enabled. Now upload default, here in basic info, the title is related to the title of your video, which you are not required to write here, because you have different titles for each video. In description, you can write the basic description or tags that you will always have for each video. Visibility should be public, which means anyone can watch your videos. Tags are the same as I told you before. First tag should be your channel name and then related tags. Now advanced setting. Here click on standard YouTube license. Then a very important setting about your channel category. If your channel is related filmy news or dramas, then click entertainment is related to cricket football, then click sports, and so on. Click the right category as it will affect your growth. In title language, I always write in English, so I'll click English. You can choose any language. This is not important. Now, permission here, you are required to provide information about any of your manager who is managing your videos. Here in default, you can manage comment, to hide inappropriate ones or hate comments. With this your settings are completed. Now to start earning, you need to post videos by clicking on upload. Try uploading regularly and do not copy-paste content as your videos will not get monetized in this way. Analytics is where you can check your watch time and other related information about your viewers. Now your channel is created. I hope my video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.